Miss A Soma. Welcome back. In my videos of A Shortcut for Learning Japanese Part 1 and Part 2, I explained that we can communicate with each other just with one word, such as an adjective, or a verb, or a noun. We even usually omit the subject in daily conversations. If you listen to real Japanese talking on TV or YouTube, you will find how rare we use 私は or 私が, which literally means I as the subject. But why? Now I'm trying to explain why. I hope you will understand. As I said in my video of もったいない, Japanese people believe that everything has some kind of life. I mean, human beings and nature and cats and dogs and flowers and mountain and desk or a pencil, they all equal somehow. In English, human beings have more importance than anything else, right? Human beings do something to nature. So verbs have developed a more important role in English. Who does the action of the verb is important. So subject and verb are essential. In Japanese, human beings and nature are kind of friends. Human beings feel nature. So adjectives and onomatopoeia have developed a more important role in our language. And in ancient days, people who are talking to lived in the same area. They didn't have phones or Twitter or Facebook or YouTube. They just talk to their neighbors who lived in the same climate and same surrounding nature. So we usually felt the same. Maybe sometimes someone, 寒いね。俺暑いよ。Maybe someone like that, but usually we felt the same. That's why we don't focus on the who, subject, who. We all of the same group. So I belong to us. That's the reason why Japanese people don't use a subject. We don't omit them. We just don't care about them. In many situations, I have to say, hidden Japanese subject is we, or how we feel, or how we think. In my video, adjective, I briefly mentioned that Japanese people don't distinguish scary and scared. When I say Kawaii while I am watching a horror movie, Kawaii means it is scary and also I am scared. Kawaii exists in the space between TV and me. Not just here, not just there. In the case, the movie is scary, but I didn't feel scared. I don't feel scared. I have to say, 私は. I have to separate these two. 私は. その映画は怖いけど、私は怖くない。We use 私は usually when we feel ourselves individually. English native speakers feel yourselves always individually. Japanese people feel ourselves usually we, sometimes I. You will hear many 私はず in meetings or discussions or fightings or arguments or quarrels. Because We have to give our own opinions. I hope you can get why Japanese people don't use 私は in daily casual conversations. The aim of daily casual conversations is to be friendly each other, creating and growing the feeling of we. Wait! In Japanese, there are many different forms of I and you.
私、あたし、あちき、
わし、わし、
わい、僕、僕ちゃん、俺、
おいら、俺っち、
うち、私、
俺様、
あたくし、and so on。あなた、あんた、あなた様、君、お前、おめえ、
オタク、
お前さん、そちら、
てめえ、貴様
and so on。
Why does Japanese people have so many I's and U's? In my opinion, they are kind of avatars. Avatar. They indicate what character you want to wear in a particular situation. The character you choose in a particular relationship. For example, one boy used boku in front of his mother. 私 in front of his boss. 俺 in front of his girlfriend. Like that. I will explain and introduce this, how to use these I's and U's in later videos. そんなわけでした。That's all for today. どうもありがとうございました。お疲れ様でした。See you!